Welcome to Machina Pre-Alpha 0.2. Automate remote rocket refueling with the new rocket refueling station. Construct a powerful rocket with 5 new modular components. Transport bigger payloads with the new cargo system. Use the overhauled procedural star chart based on real dust cloud simulations. Explore the all-new Martian planet type littered with new ores, beautiful landscapes, and geothermal power. Discover the 4 new biomes, including salt-rich wastelands, dense porous rock formations, hot sulfuric acid lakes and geysers, and the vast sandy expanse. Experience the new dynamic weather system featuring rain, dust storms, and aurora borealis. You can use the new Meteor probe to scan the planet's atmosphere, featuring wind and temperature simulations. Discover this and more by participating in the Open Alpha playtest, available now on Modrinth. See you next time!